touches me now. Oh, the wonder of love. It touches my heart, its warmth I can feel. It shines on my bed, I see it is real. It's cause for great changes, for miracles wrought. This God-given word